Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was better looking than anyone in this room, okay? Let's get that straight. Yeah, you, bro. He's like, where can I read this? Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send His mercy and blessings upon him and His peace and tranquility upon Prophet Yusuf and all of the Anbiya, was extremely good looking. There are narrations that say that Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam received half of beauty that was ever created, and the rest of creation, the world, the plants, the animals, the people, everything, the universe, got the other half. So he got one half, and everyone else got the other half. You think Brad Pitt's good looking? You think George Clooney's good looking? Let's be serious. MashaAllah, he was the most beautiful being. And there are some narrations that say Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was more beautiful, but Allahu a'lam, they were both beautiful. Yusuf alayhi salam was one of the most beautiful beings to ever walk the face of this earth. And you know what he ran into, brothers? Hey Abdul, I want to go to prom with you. You're cute. That's not prom, brothers. He wasn't running into a sister who wanted to go to prom. He didn't get that Facebook poke. He didn't get a friend request. He didn't get any of that. No MySpace pic. He didn't get those. I know what you're come on, let's be honest. I see your guys' pictures. Please. He got a woman. Brothers, real quick, this is really important. Because I know a lot of us are struggling with the situation with females. Muslim or non-Muslim. I know, I feel for you. I'm not going to judge you, I feel for you. He got a woman who was not only the wealthiest woman in the town. Wealthy means what? She can buy the best clothes. She can buy the best lotion. She can have the best looking body. She has all that. Not only the wealthiest, the most popular. And she was known as the most beautiful. She was fine. I don't ever use that language, but you have to get like the essence of what I'm talking about. She wasn't like, oh my God, she was beautiful. She was good looking. Right? By the way, Mehreen, she wasn't better looking than you. That's my wife, mother. Sorry. She's going to watch this for sure. I'm busted. Okay. So, she was the best looking woman of the time. And did she go up to him and ask him to prom? Did she ask him to go out on a date with her? She said straight up, let's commit zina right now. Why are you guys laughing? She said straight up, I want you. Yeah. And by the way, how many of you know this new artist named Kesha? Ew. Read her lyrics. She sounds the exact same way. In my English class at the Sunnah Foundation, I did an analysis of her lyrics. The girls went from loving her to like hating her. We have like a dartboard of her now on the wall. Anyways, may Allah guide her, inshallah. This woman said to Yusuf alayhi salam, take me. I want you. You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Even though I'm married, I'll cheat on my husband with you. I have money. I have everything you want. I'm beautiful. And in the Quran it said what? She desired him. She felt desire towards him, and he felt an inkling of desire towards her. So whenever people tell you, brother, you're religious, you shouldn't have any problems lowering your gaze, tell them, Prophet Yusuf had a little bit of issue. Not trouble, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protects the Anbiya. But to show us that the prophets were humans, and that we can relate to them, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us what happened in his heart, an inkling, a little tick. Yeah. Right? What did he say though? All of us, we can agree. We felt that, right? We have issues with our grades. We felt that. What did he do? Did he ask for her number? Did he say, yeah, I'll hang out with you? He said, Ya Allah, make the prison more beautiful to me than her. And Allah answered his dua. He physically, modestly submitted to Allah. Spiritually, intellectually, and that came out in his physical shyness. He said, Ya Allah, make the prison more beautiful to me because I don't want to suffer the consequences. I don't want to commit any wrong deeds. I don't even want to have the thought, the intention of being with this woman. So take me to the prison right away.